are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And they all have individuality that attracts people. However, my favorite season is fall. I will tell you 2 reasons to support my reason. First, at fall, farmers harvest fruits. So, at fall, I could eat lots of foods such like pumpkin pies, corn soup, sweet potatoes, etc. Also, I can eat mashed potatoes. For example, if I buy fresh pumpkin, my grandmother makes me pumpkin pies with them. Second, there are lots of holidays in fall. For example, there are Halloween. I like Halloween because I can wear costumes. Also, at fall there is my birthday. I like my birthday because I can get presents. And I can go to vacations. There are Thanksgiving too. I like Thanksgiving because I can eat lots of seasonal foods. In conclusion, my favorite season is fall because farmers harvest vegetables. I can eat seasonal foods. Also, there are lots of holidays in fall. Thank you for listening.